In this video, we're diving into the do command. It's a powerful tool available in Linux and Unix-like operating systems. The do command helps in analyzing disk usage by files and directories. It allows you to estimate how much space each file and directory is occupying on your system. The do or disk usage command is a standard Linux or Unix utility. It is used to estimate the file space usage for a specific directory or file. The basic syntax of the do command is as follows: do followed by options and then the file name. By default, do reports the disk space used by each directory, including its subdirectories, in kilobytes. Let's look at some basic examples. To check the current directory size, you can use the command do -sh. The option S is for summarize, which means it will display only the total usage. The option H is for human-readable format, which shows the output in kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes, making it easier to understand. This command will give you the total size of the current directory. To check the size of a specific directory, use do --sh followed by the directory path, such as /var/log. This command displays the total disk usage of the specified directory in a human-readable format. You can also check multiple directories at once using the command do --sh followed by the directory paths like /home, /var, and /etc. The output shows the disk usage for each of these directories. Finally, to check the size of an individual file, you can use do --h followed by the file path, such as /var/log/syslog. The do command can also be used to check the size of individual files. Now let's explore some common options for the do command. First, we have the -h option, which stands for human readable. This option displays sizes in a format that is easy for humans to understand, such as kilobytes, megabytes, or gigabytes, instead of raw block numbers. For example, do /h/home. Next, we have the -s option, which stands for summarize. This option displays only a total for each argument, omitting the details for individual subdirectories and files. For example, do /s/var/log. Then there is the -a option. It shows the disk usage for all files and directories. For example, do /etc/password. Next is the -c option, which gives a grand total of all specified files and directories. For example, do /ch/etc/var. We also have the double -max depth option. This limits the recursion to a specified depth level when traversing directories. For example, do /max-depth equals 2 /home. Finally, the -x option. It skips directories on different file systems. For example, do /x/. Let's delve into some advanced usages of the do command. You can combine do with other utilities to achieve more specific results. For example, to find the largest directories under /var, you can use the command do /h/var, then a pipe symbol followed by sort /rh, then a pipe symbol followed by head -5. This command lists the disk usage of all directories under /var, sorts them in reverse order, largest first, and then displays the top 5. Note that the -r option for sort reverses the order. Another useful option is to exclude certain file types. The command do /h/exclude equals $log/var/log excludes all files ending with .log from the disk usage calculation. You can use multiple double -exclude options to exclude different patterns. To limit the directory depth, you can use the command do /h/double-max-depth equals 1 /home. This command limits the do command to only show the disk usage of the directories and files directly under the /home directory. Note that double-max-depth equals 1 shows only the current directory and its immediate subdirectories. And finally, to check specific file types, you can combine the find command with do. For example, find space / home space hyphen name quote asterisk m4 quote space hyphen exec space do space hyphen ch space left brace space / semicolon, which finds all MP4 files in / home and calculates their total size. Now let's explore some practical examples of using the do command. First, to check the disk usage by user, you can use the command do space -sh space / home / asterisk. This quickly checks how much disk space each user is consuming. This is useful for system administrators to identify users who are consuming excessive disk space on a shared system, for capacity planning, and to monitor user storage needs and plan for future storage requirements. Also, it is helpful for quota management to determine if users are approaching their disk quotas. Next, we can monitor log growth. The command do space -sh space /var /log, followed by the command sleep space 3600, followed by the command do space -sh space /var /log, helps you track how quickly log files are growing over time. This is helpful for troubleshooting when identifying runaway logging that might indicate a system problem. It helps in disk space management and prevents log files from filling up disk space unexpectedly, and also helps in performance monitoring as it correlates log growth with system performance issues. The do command becomes even more powerful when combined with other Linux utilities using pipes. Let's look at some examples. First, let's combine do with sort. The command do space -h space /var pipe symbol sort space -r h pipe symbol head space -10 finds the top 10 largest directories under /var, sorted by size in descending order. Please note that the -r option for sort reverses the order. Next, let's combine do with grep. The command do space -h space /var pipe symbol grep space quote left square bracket 0-9 right square bracket capital G \s quote filters the output to show only directories that are gigabytes in size. The regular expression matches lines containing a number followed by capital G, and then a white space. Now let's combine do with awk. The command do space -sk space /home / pipe symbol awk quote left curly brace if left parenthesis $1 greater than 500,000 right parenthesis print $0 right curly brace quote shows only directories larger than 500 megabytes. The -k option shows sizes in kilobytes, which works well with numeric comparisons. And finally, let's combine the do command with zargs. The command find space /var space -type f space -name quote asterisk .log quote pipe symbol zargs do space -ch pipe symbol grep total calculates the total size of all log files in the /var directory. Zargs passes the file list to do, and -c produces a grand total. Here are some tips and tricks to enhance your use of the do command. You can create shell aliases for frequently used do commands to save time. For example, alias -da equals quote do space -h space double -max -depth equals 1 pipe symbol sort space -r h quote. Add to your .bashrc or .zshrc file for persistence. Use the -x option to stay on one file system and avoid scanning mounted drives. Do space -x h space /. This is especially useful when you have network file system or other network mounts. You can use cron to schedule regular disk usage checks and send reports. For example, 0 space 0 space asterisk space asterisk space 0 space do space -sh space /home / pipe symbol mail space -s space quote weekly disk usage quote space admin at example.com. To combine with watch for real-time monitoring, use the watch command to monitor disk usage in real time. Watch space -n space 60 space quote do space -sh space /var /log quote updates the display every 60 seconds. In summary, the do command is an essential tool for analyzing disk usage in Linux or Unix systems. Common options like -h, -s, and double -max -depth make it versatile for different use cases. Combining do with other commands such as sort, grep, and awk creates powerful disk analysis workflows. Regular disk usage monitoring helps prevent storage issues and optimize system performance, and creating aliases and scripts can automate common disk usage analysis tasks. For more information, you can always consult the manual pages by typing man-do. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.